Hi there, welcome to Cards and Wheels, NCERT Math Magic 4, Chapter 8, Cards and Wheels, Part 4. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe my channel by clicking the red button below this video and then quickly click on the bell icon to get the continuous updates from my channel, and then you like my video and then share it. So if you are a new visitor to this channel, same thing is applicable to you. Like subscribe and then click the bell icon and then click the like button and then click share button. So with this, I would like to quick jump to the first slide of this today's presentation. It is about, is it a circle? So Naina was making a circle. Ravi asked her for an eraser. She kept her compass and gave him an eraser. Then she started completing her circle. She got this. Okay. So while Naina was drawing a circle, Ravi asked her an eraser. Okay. So she kept her compass aside and then she gave him an eraser. And then finally she got this. So guess, why did Naina get such a drawing? And discuss. So this is what is the question given to us. So why the Naina got this type of circle or this type of diagram is, she forgot to take the same center, like what was the tip of the compass which was there in the beginning. It was not the same next time while she is drawing. Okay, so can you see in the diagram? It is very clear. So it is a illustration which is meant for us to understand that circle cannot have two centers. Okay, so second question is that only. Can a circle have more than one center? No, it is not possible. If so, then that is not called as a circle. Okay, so this is how the Naina got a wrong diagram. While drawing a circle, she didn't focused on the center of the circle. Because of the disturbance, this Ravi asked for an eraser. Another day, Naina used a compass to make a circle, but it came out like this. Did anyone of you ever get a shape like Naina's? Yeah, most often people will get this type of shape if, even though there is the tip is at the same place. I mean, the tip of the compass is at the same place and there is no disturbance at all at this time, but still Naina got this type of circle. So what could be the problem? So did anyone we got similar kind of shape like Naina earlier also. So have you ever checked the screw of the compass? If it becomes loose, then we will get this type of circle. So she is tightening that screw. Okay, so now she is telling that now my compass will not slip, otherwise the compass will slip like this and she will get a circle which is which does not look like a circle at all. Now we will move to the next slide. Find the center. So Sadiq and Samina want to make circles for themselves. I will make it with a compass. Sadiq is telling that I will make it with a compass. Okay, he is so clever that because in order to find the center, compass, the wherever the compass tip is pointing, that itself is called the center of the circle. So we know that, and he want to draw the circle with that only. but Samina want to draw it by tracing with a bangle. If I trace a circle with a bangle, then it will be a difficult task for us to find out what is the center of the circle. That is what is Sadiq is thinking, and both of them started drawing. Okay, so here you can see both of them started drawing in the second diagram, and then they cut their circle. Okay, then after cutting the circle of the Sadiq look like this. It is clearly showing the center of the circle, because wherever the compass is there, that itself is the center of the circle. So Sadiq is asking to Samina, where is your circle, where is the center of your circle? Don't worry, see how I find it. She is telling that how I find it, you see it. Don't worry about the center of the circle. For my this thing, what is the circle she has traced with the help of a bangle. She folded a circle into half like this. Okay, first she folded this part and this became dashed line. Okay, then she folded this part like this. I will be showing you this activity at the end, and in the textbook also is asking us to do the similar kind of activity. So fold it, then we will be getting this one. So then she opened the folded circle. Of course, instead of this dots, we will be getting foldings. So to show us clearly, they have shown dotted lines. Can you see the two crossed lines crossing each other? This is she's talking about 1 and 2 lines. They're crossing each other. That will become the center of the circle. She put a point where these lines cross. This is the center of my circle. So like that, she told Sadiq clearly that the center of the circle can be found with folding the circle. Okay, but on a paper it is possible, but really if you want to find out the center of the circle, there are so many other techniques are there. So one among them is, which is demonstrated here, is folding the circle on the paper, and the other one is by using a compass. The needle of the compass, wherever it is pointing out, it itself will give us the center of the circle. And now you trace a circle on a paper using a bangle, cut it, then find its center like Samina did. I will show you this activity at the end. So we can also make the design on the page number 88. We have a task, right, like this, to draw on in the page number 88. So how did you do it? So you can do it like this. They are telling, we also did the similar way. I found out the complete I have drawn a circle from here to, I have drawn a line from here to here, and then I find out the center of this circle, small circle, and then draw this lower part, and then I have drawn this upper part. There is a video also showing this, the demonstration. So we will move to the next slide. So balancing act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? I will balance it. This person is telling that I will balance it. Okay, but you see the finger where he kept it the corner of the plate, and it got fell down. Oops, I will try again. Same person is telling again, I think I have found the center of the plate. Now he is pointing is now he placed his finger at the center of the plate, so he can balance that one. So you can also try to balance a plate around the lid of your finger. Where does it balance? You have to tell that it will balance definitely at the center. So balancing is possible only if you point it at the center of any circle. Plates are all of circular in shape, right? Almost all plates I am talking about. Now coming to the next activity, that is spinning the top. Jakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. So during the rainy days, children will get definitely bored because they cannot go out and play. Suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. They took a piece of cardboard, traced a circle on it, then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. Okay, so now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which looked like this. So this activity is also similar to the previous one. You have to draw a circle, you have to trace a circle, you have to cut it, and then you have to find the center, and then you have to put a match stick. Okay, then it will look like a top. This is made by Jakir, and this is made by Appu, and this is made by Naina, and this is made by Guddu. So we will be we will be getting some questions based on this. Now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which look like this: Jakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu. Now let us see, I copied the same here also. Whose top will not spin at all? Whose top will not spin at all? I can say that Jakir's will not spin at all. This top will not spin at all. Naina will not spin at all. Okay. And whose top will spin a little? I can say that to some extent this Guddu. Okay, so whose top will spin a little? It is Guddu. Whose top will spin the best? It is Appu. Okay, so Jakir and Naina's tops will not spin at all, but whereas this Appu's top will spin perfect and Guddu's will spin a little. In whose top is the stick is nearest to the center? So I can say that Appu's is nearest to the center, and then of course if Appu's is at the center, then I can say that Guddu's is nearest to the center. Okay, that's why it is spinning a little. Okay, Appu is spinning best because it is at the center, and Guddu's top is spinning a little because it is nearest to the center. So I will be writing Guddu because Appu is already at the center. So now here is a task for us. You also make your own top and play this game. So the top, to make the top spin well, where you have to make the hole? As per this activity, it is very clear that you have to make the hole at the center of the circle. And as per the previous slides, how you have to find the center of the circle, it is very clear with the help of two activities. One is use a compass and write, and wherever the needle of the compass is pointing, that itself will become the center of the circle. Or trace the circle and then fold it. Again you fold it like this. Okay, first you fold it in this way, from here to here, like from here to here, and then from here to here you fold it, and then you will get the center of the circle by how she demonstrated it to Sadiq. Now coming to the activity which I made it. First I have traced a circle with the help of some round material, not a bangle. This is not a bangle. We don't have that much bangle, big bangle. Then I have cut it. Okay, then this is the circle I got. After that I folded this in such a way that, as shown in the slide, I folded it like this. In the previous slide also we are supposed to do like this only, the folding will be like that, and then Similarly, this is the another. And of course, this is the not only the way, you can fold it in other way also. Okay, so then next, after folding it like this, then you have to you will be getting a shape like this. Just what you can say is apply some pressure on these two ends, here and here, then it will be forming a line. So lines will be formed in the center like this. You can find the lines wherever the lines are crossing, that itself is the center of the circle, as demonstrated by Samina to Sadiq. So this is how you have to find the center of the circle, and here itself you put your finger, then the plate will be balanced, and here itself you insert your matchstick. It will be the perfect top spinning perfectly. Okay, so that's the end of the chapter 8. So subscribe to my channel and then click the bell icon. Watch all my videos in this playlist up to chapter 8. There are so many videos. Then after watching, you like it and you share the complete playlist to your friends who are in CBSE Mathematics 4, CBSE 4, sorry, and ask them to subscribe. Then please visit my website on a regular basis to get the continuous updates from my website, and then visit my YouTube channel. Definitely you will be watching my videos when you will be visiting my YouTube channel. Then like my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/HANU7. Then you like other my social media networks like Anchor, Twitter and LinkedIn.
I'm never sober and I